Hello, hello. This is Sharif, or Just Nailed It, and you have caught me in the middle of a mani. I am doing a breast cancer awareness mani with a collaboration of a few other YouTubers. I know Nailed by Nikki is involved, Princess Nails by Diana, and I'm not too sure who else is of when I film this. Hopefully there's going to be a playlist. If there is, it'll be pinned in the comments. I am using Strawberry Ice Cream by Modelones. It's a mini fashion set that was out. Love, love, love this color. I've used it many times this year. You'll probably see me use it at least one other time before the year's up. I have another breast cancer awareness mani due the end of the month, and this will be the prize color. So keep your eyes peeled for that. It will be a Glitter Girls collaboration. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for that video towards the end of the month. Owie, owie. This one here, this is today. I'm going to pop this in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then we are going to put on Ice Bar from the same collection. It is like a topper, but this is just beautiful. It's like crushed diamonds on the nail. You'll see once it's on and top coated, it's beautiful. Really beautiful. This mani, well, some might call it basic. Some might call it simple. I call it elegant. That's what I call it. So now we have not top coat, listen to me get ahead of myself. 2 coats of the pink of strawberry ice cream. 2 coats. Cured them both for 30 seconds each. I am going to use the Neon Pink by Princess Nails by Diana. This is from her summer neon collection. This is going to be my ribbon. Check her out here on YouTube as well as on Instagram. Instagram, it's Princess Nails _by Diana. There's underscores underneath them all except Princess Nails. Here on YouTube, she is just Princess Nails by Diana. Check her out. She's got a lot of great content. As well as check out Nailed by Nikki on Instagram. She is Nailed by Nikki P. Check both of those ladies out. I'm not too sure who else is involved in this collaboration. I really wish right now that I did. Anchor your hand down. Start wherever you want on your ribbon. Wherever you want. There we go. Beautiful. Let me clean my brush real quick. Get my cotton ball and my dispenser off to the side. Clean my brush, clean my brush, clean my brush. There we go. I'm going to flash cure this for 15. The ribbon turned out beautiful, don't you? We'll put that off to the side. A little bit of statistics here for you, ladies, fellas. Because it seems lately in the news there are men showing up with breast cancer. And it's just not cool. You got to do your self-exam no matter what sex you are. Check for any lumps or bumps in the breast area or in the armpits. Ladies, 1 in 8 this year is going to be diagnosed with breast cancer. That is 12%. That's almost 2019, almost 300,000 ladies are going to be diagnosed with breast cancer. That, when I googled it this morning for some statistics, it flipped my wig. I don't wear a wig, but it flips my wig, so to speak. It's just, you gotta check yourself. It's just all there is to it. Tell your mother, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your girlfriend, your co-worker. Check the boobies. There has to be awareness. There has to be self-checking yourself at home, and this doesn't mean just once a month. Check yourself all the time in the shower. That's your best time, or when you're laying down. That way you can really feel. I think the best bet's to shower, because when you're all soapy, and that's just my opinion. You do as you do, just make sure you do. Save the tatas, ladies. Save the tatas. So I'm going to pause this. I'm going to pop this in for 30. Alrighty, we are back. We are now going to place a heart on the thumbnail. A little bit of bling. So I'm going to top coat them all. And this top coat is also by P&D, Princess Nails by Diana. Check out her full line. She has her fall line that's coming out. And like I said, this is a beautiful, elegant, this could be simple, depends on how you want to look at it. As long as it gets the point across. That's just how I look at it. As long as it brings awareness, as long as somebody sees this and they think, oh, I need to get my mammogram done. The month of October, you can find a lot of places that are doing them for free. Here we go. I'm going to pop this in for 60 and I'll be right back. We're back for our last and final segment. Sorry for the hobble and the bobble. I think this turned out beautiful. This topper, I think, really sets off the mani, makes them sparkle. Looks like crushed diamonds on the nail. Hope you can see it. Remember, ladies, check your breasts. Save the ta-ta, save second base. 1 in 8 women will be a diagnosis here. That is 12%. Look around to how many ladies are around you, next time you're in public. 1 in 8. That's almost 300,000 that's going to be diagnosed with breast cancer. Make sure you're not one of them. And if you are, early detection is your best bet. The earlier, the better you have for survival, for being cured. If you are a survivor, I give props to you. You have been through hell and back. But you are still here. And you are an example and an inspiration for all. I thank you all for being here with me. For taking part in my mani. Taking part in your life to make sure it continues. Remember, check the breasts. That goes for male and female nowadays. It knows no boundaries. But I'm stop before I get too emotional here. Just make sure you check. The self-awareness is your best bet. Earlier the better. Thank you for being here. Thank you for taking part, and have a blessed day.